Another day, the sun has begun to melt all our cares away. Another day, another day. Good morning, January 5th, 2026, Appalachian Trail, up out of Lance Creek Restoration area. Peaceful, wonderful, feeling good. Another day, y'all. What you gonna be today? What you gonna do today? I'm gonna hike. Okay, that's Blood Mountain. That's where I'm going. This is 2.9 miles. I'm going to the top of that thing. Can't see anybody. Didn't expect that I would. That's where I'm going. About 3 hours I'll be there probably. All right. At the top of Blood Mountain again. And guess what? Just wearing a shirt. It's not cold up here today. It's like 55. There's the shelter. Proving that I'm here. I've already done my check-in on Far Out. I was going to go up on the rock over here, but people are playing music and then I'll get a copyright strike if I video up there. So I'll try to get a 360 pano down there. I hear somebody coming. You did it.
I did it.
You freaking did it. No rescue choppers today, baby.
Got this, man.
Blood Mountain Shelter. You're there.
Don't let no one say you can't do nothing.
There you go.
Don't let no one do that.
You did
Here
it.
I am.
You did it.
Heart attacks later.
You did it.
I did it.
You did it.
I did it.
Woo!
Blood Mountain.
Hardest climb, our hardest section of trail for the whole thing.
I thought it was easy. I thought Sassafras was worse.
I'd say Sassafras was. Just wait till you go down the other side, okay? Before we talk about how easy this is.
Hey. Let's not stop. Let's keep on going.
Oh, you don't want to sign the log?
Oh, I want to sign the log, but I don't want to stop in Georgia.
Oh, I got you. I got you.
I'm ready.
See?
My
All right.
strong, but
There you go.
let's go.
Let's get the 360 pano. There's the house, shelter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't know. Is he?
How you doing there, sir?
Hey, I got it above you.
I don't get your shot.
You're not in it. All right, we're on the other place where you can get a good 360 pano. Top of Blood Mountain. Very warm today. 55 degrees. Quiet, peaceful. I'm kind of between the other hikers, and I really need to get moving. So let's get on down. It was so cold here this time last year that I just had to get up off of this mountain. Today, you can stick around a bit.